Welcome to this session on page color. One of the students has asked how to change the color of the page, and more specifically asked how can I have different colors for different pages. So let us look at his dilemma. So first thing, I have two pages here. So the simplest way to color a page is go to design tab, and under page background you have page color. Click on that and choose a page color, whatever you like. So here I have colored it green. Now the question is, how can I have different colors for different pages? Now seemingly there is no simple straightforward way to do this, but the easiest way is to use shapes and text boxes. That is the easiest way. So let us look at that. So let us make the page colors. Now once you have colored the page, if you want to remove that color, again go to page color, choose no color. Now what I am talking about is using something called as insert shape. So insert, you can go to insert tab. The first way is inserting shape. This is one way you can do. So click on shapes, choose rectangle. Now after choosing rectangle, you have to draw the shape. Choose shape, rectangle. Now once I chose rectangle, it is supposed to come like this. Just draw the rectangle. And you have to take it to the background. You can change the color and all those things. Let us change the color to some lighter one, and you can right click and choose format shape. Then you will get a kind of a right pane where you can do the same thing. Either shape fill, you choose here and choose a color, or you can click on solid fill and choose a color here. It's the same thing. Next is the border. So either you can choose shape outline, no outline, or you can also do the same here. Okay, no line, so no outline. So this is, after this, right click and wrap the text behind text. See, now you are not able to see the text because the shape is in the foreground and the text is in the background. So you have to click on the image, click on the shape, right click and choose the wrap as behind text. So let me show again. So I have drawn this rectangle shape here. Right click on that shape, then wrap text is the option in the right click menu. From that, choose behind text. And two more important things to keep in mind is the printing options. So you can go to file, tab, choose options, and under display printing options, you have to ensure that this print drawings created in Word is selected. Print background colors and images is also selected. Okay, so now you can draw the same you like. So if you want to copy the same thing, so press. Now this is one color, the second page is right now there is no color. If you want to color second page, then choose it, Control D. So after choosing Control D, just drag it out, and if you don't like this color, change the color. So change the shape fill, and so this is one of the easiest ways to go about. So right now we have used shapes, so you can also use what do you call, because already the text is there, this is one of the easiest things to go over. Otherwise, you can also use insert text box. So you can go to insert tab, text box. So let us create a new page, control enter. So I have a new page here, click on text box, draw text box is there, click on draw text box. Now from draw text box, left click the mouse, hold, drag the rectangle and leave. Now you can start typing here, and you can fill color here, the color you want. That's it. The advantage of using text box is that you need not do the circus of selecting the rectangle shape and wrapping the text to behind. Okay, so that you can save. So there are other methods also you can try to explore. One is using section break, other is creating sub-documents, and either you can split the document into sub-documents or create separate documents and join them into this main document. Yeah, I think pretty much those are the two ways that are there. So hope I have answered the question how to have different colors to different pages. So thank you for asking this question. Okay, and hope I have answered your question. Thank you.